Yeah, all ElarScans have the same speed. They are very fast. This is half second to scan. But in handling, the rest is operator handling. The performance depends on operator, how fast is the operator. But KS model, if we are talking about the performance of the scanning with the glass, so flip up is the fastest way for flattening the books. And this is in those terms, this configuration is fastest one. Yes. Okay. After the initial adjustment, we can turn to automatic mode, and now scanner is starting to scan right after closing the glass, and nothing to be pushed, nothing to be pressed, no any keystroke, and the scanning is very fast. Operator just turning the page and close the glass, and this is it. You see, this is the real story. You know that how high glass goes up, it's optimized, so it's not goes upper than needed. So this is very convenient and should work like that. This is very convenient for operating to work like this. This is the fastest way for scanning. Yeah. Normally it's about for our operators, who is quite a good motivated, but a lot of people, the normal performance of them between 1,500 and 2,000 scans per shift, per 8-hour shift. So it's frequently asked question about how fast is your scanner. Our scanner is very fast, but you must find the operator who can operate faster than our operators. And yeah, several hundred scans per hour. This is normal, and every scan can take several images. This is very important. One scan can mean 2 pages. So this is how to calculate. Okay.